I am often asked what brought me into real estate. So let me tell you my story. It was just a coincidence when in 2006 I embarked in this journey without no experience in the real estate industry. When I was offered the position, I decided to try it and to take on the challenge. And here we are. It all started with this, Villaggio Primavera. I had the privilege of introducing the project to a number of investors that I had not met before. As I worked with each client, understanding their needs and their preferences, our business relationship evolved very often into a friendship that is still lasting today. Villaggio Primavera was completed in 2008 and was followed by Villaggio Vista. Very often, clients who I sold the apartment to tell me that Villaggio was the best investment ever. 15 years later, Villaggio Primavera remains one of the most beautiful projects in Accra. Modern security equipment have been installed, the tennis court has been redone completely, the gym was refurbished and the children's playground enhanced and made safer. All the communal amenities have been recently revamped, with the biggest project, the swimming pool, being completed just a couple of weeks ago. Doesn't it look like a holiday resort in the Maldives? Villaggio apartments are spacious, with well-conceived layout and are well built. After 15 years, in fact, with minimal maintenance, they still look amazing. This is why apartment investment in Villaggio is still in high demand, and so are rentals. As I look back at where my real estate journey started, I am grateful for the opportunity of having been part of the growth of Villaggio Primavera and of the lives of those who over time became not just clients but cherished friends. It is a testament to the profound influence real estate can have on people's life and the great connection it can facilitate. Reach out to me if you want to know more about Villaggio apartments for sale or for rent. I'll be happy to help you find the perfect investment or your ideal home.